Guys, this is so good.
Come savor with me, kare-kare. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where we savor food and experiences together. So for dinner tonight, come savor with me my healthy version of kare-kare. It's a Filipino savory dish made out of peanut butter, and it's usually made with beef stew. But for my healthier version, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in chicken instead. A lot of good veggies. It's gonna be one pot, takes like around 30 minutes, quick and easy with simple ingredients. And I do have a savory twist to share with you as well. So it's usually made with oxtail and also beef, and there's also versions of it where it's made with fried pork, but we're ending 2025 and I figured let's start with the 2026 with a nice healthy version of a kare-kare. All right, it's one of my favorite dishes actually, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's start making. Oh, actually, firstly, what we're gonna need is you have your chicken thighs, okay, and we have lots of garlic, bok choy veggies, green beans, onions, some red chilies. You know me, if you know, you know, red chilies. And you need sauteed shrimp. This is called bagoong in Philippines. So you have your kare-kare dish, and then you have it with side of bagoong. It's pretty much fermented shrimp, and you mix it in with your kare-kare stew and rice, and it's just really savory good. So you have your peanut butter, that's a must. You can use annatto powder, but if you want it to be like really extra creamy, I use a Mamacita's Kare-Kare mix. So it has like some peanuts in there, a bit of rice flour, a bit of cane sugar. So if you don't want to use any sugar at all, just use the annatto powder. But if you are okay with a bit of sugar and salt and annatto powder, everything is in this mix. If you are growing up as Filipino, you know this looks so familiar to you. So this is Mamacita's kare-kare mix. And then you have your pepper to taste and olive oil. What we're gonna do first is I'm gonna mince the garlic or use my processor for it and then fry it up. I'm gonna show you why. Because that's gonna be our savory twist for this recipe, okay? Okay, so let's start cooking. I'm gonna grab my pan. Some olive oil in there, medium heat, olive oil. All right, so gonna mince the garlic first. I'm gonna use like probably like a lot, which is, oh, I always drop stuff, guys. Okay, let's wash that baby. All right. Oh, you guys see? I'm gonna move this out. So maybe around 20. It's good. A lot of garlic. So let's mince that up. All right, we're done. Nice. So we're gonna fry this up, have it turn golden brown, and then we'll take it out, and then I'll show you what to do with it later. I'm putting the garlic in the hot oil. Okay. All right, what we want to do next is you cook your veggies first, okay? And then you cook your chicken, and then you assemble everything together. All right, so just wash these beans first. These are good. So you want to take out this part at the end, okay? So you can use your hand or you can use a knife, okay? Guys, I forgot we need the eggplants. So here you go. I got 2 eggplants, okay? All right, so we need that for our kare-kare. So let's take a look at that looks good. So there you go. Almost there. Oh, I wish you guys can smell this. This is amazing. The fragrant garlic smell. Okay, that looks good, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna transfer it to the bowl here. Okay. All right, there's our golden garlic, guys. Set that aside. Now let's saute the veggies. So let's do the eggplant first. Eggplants, okay. I got 2 eggplants here. We're just gonna slice them and then we're gonna cook them first because they're the ones that takes the longest, and then the beans, green beans, and then the bok choy, which cooks really fast. So let's put some olive oil. Okay. Use the same pan, it's okay. And then you get the flavor of the garlic as well. All right, so just use slicing it like this. Okay. All right. Right. Let's cook the eggplant first. Okay. Okay, in the meantime, while the eggplant's cooking, let's just wash these and we can get these bok choy ready to go. I think two is good. Okay, I'm just patting them down. Okay, let's check on our eggplant. All right, they're cooking pretty good. Then we can add our green beans as well, okay? Can add a bit more olive oil. Okay guys, while that is cooking, we can just kind of spread these out. So you can just cut the very base off like this, because this part is really hard, okay? And you'll have everything come off. Okay, we can just mix it around, okay? Yeah, it's cooking pretty well. So once these are pretty much like close to cooking, as you can tell, it looks pretty cooked, like around after 5 minutes or so. Then you can add the bok choy, okay? Okay, just mix that out. Bok choy cooks really quick, so you don't need a lot of time in there. Okay, and then that's pretty good. Now, just transfer it to a bowl and we're gonna start cooking the chicken now, okay? Okay, we can put that aside. So there is our cooked veggies. Okay, and we can start cooking the chicken. It's gonna need a bit of olive oil. I'm just gonna cut the chicken into like, so I got like a bunch of chicken thighs here. Just gonna cut them into like little pieces. So I'm gonna slice them into 2 pieces, okay? So I have like that, okay? And okay, it's time to start frying. All right, let's start cooking our chicken, okay? All right, guys, so while the chicken's cooking, I have my kare-kare mix. I'm gonna add some warm water to it, and then we'll just have it ready to go as a mixture. So when the chicken is cooked, we can add the mixture in, okay? So I'm just gonna put some warm water to it. All right, so we have the mixture. We're just added some water to it, warm water, and now I'm just mixing it in. Alright guys, so we're gonna need some onions. So we have 1 onion here, okay? So we're just gonna mince the onion. Okay, we can put some garlic, minced garlic in there. So the chicken's pretty much almost cooked. So put the garlic there, some minced garlic and some onions, okay? So we put in the minced garlic, onion, and just let it saute with the chicken. Guys, so we have the kare-kare mix with the warm water, okay? And then we're gonna add the peanut butter as well into it. All right, so we have some peanut butter and then just mix that in there, okay? Let that mix in until the peanut butter is fully dissolved, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna put in our mixture now, okay? Just mix that in. We're trying to get all the scrapings off the pan, okay? And then make sure you need some water in it because it's gonna be pretty thick, okay? So add some water. And we're almost done, guys, okay? Just gonna let it thicken. So just let it boil and then you're good to go, guys. So just a few more minutes and we're done. So right now it's a bit runny, but you just wanna make it a bit creamier and thicker. Alright guys, it's pretty much creamy and thick now, so I think we're good to go. And we're just gonna add our veggies and we're good. Alright, just turn that off. Just add our veggies. Alright guys, that's done. Look at that. And we're just gonna add our garlic on top. That's my Savor twist, guys. So let's just grab some of that. It's gonna give it such a great flavor, guys. All right, grab some more garlic. All right, here we go. All right, guys, so here we are. I had some white rice, and then on top of that, I put in our kare-kare with chicken, a lot of stew base, the peanut butter sauce, and also the veggies. And I put some of our fried garlic on top. Look at that. And I'm gonna put some red chili on it. I didn't put it in the mix because my dad doesn't like too spicy, so I'm just gonna put it for mine. Okay, just a tiny bit on top. Okay, and we're gonna put some of the bagoong, which is the sauteed shrimp, okay? Because you need that. Put it on the side. All right, and here we go. All right, guys, here we go. All right, let's get some of the bagoong, the sauteed shrimp, and then get a bit of chicken. All right, cheers, guys. Wow. Oh, wow. Chicken is so nice and juicy. Peanut butter stew mix is so good. It's so creamy, so savory. And you have the fried garlic on top, which is my favorite twist. And I added chili pepper, red chili pepper to it. Oh, guys, with the shrimp paste, guys, this is so good. So savory. And it's healthier. You're using chicken and you have a lot of veggies. It's really good, guys. Hope you guys can try it. Let me know. Wow, that is so good, guys. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Please feel free to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be making more of the Filipino dishes in my videos, so feel free to share, like, subscribe, comment. I want to hear if there's any recipes that you want me to do that are, you want a healthier version, for instance. Let me know. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoyed today. Thanks for joining me. Have yourself an amazing Sunday, and just remember, keep savoring you, okay? Alright, see you guys.